Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, hello, I'm fine, thank you. Good morning, class. How are you today, everyone? Look who's here. Bilbo has come to say you hello. Hello, hello. How are you, boys and girls? Fine? Healthy? Happy? Yes? I hope so. I really hope so. Today, I have brought a new video in which we are going to practice some of the games we do at school. So I want you to remember the vocabulary we have been practicing, and we are going to go on with games and songs. First of all, I have here the weather cards in which we are going to sing together the weather song. Are you ready? Steady? Go. So, what's the weather like? What's the weather like? I don't know. I don't know. Is it windy? Is it windy? No, no, no. No, no, no. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? I don't know. I don't know. Is it stormy? Is it stormy? No, no, no. No, no, no. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? I don't know. I don't know. Is it cloudy? Is it cloudy? No, no, no. No, no, no. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? I don't know. I don't know. Is it snowy? Is it snowy? No, no, no. No, no, no. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? I don't know. I don't know. Is it rainy? Is it rainy? No, no, no. No, no, no. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? I don't know. I don't know. Is it sunny? Is it sunny? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Today is sunny. Today is sunny. Very good. It's sunny, really sunny today. A bit windy, but sunny. So the first game we are going to play is the magic one. Okay, so here I have the magic one. Okay, and I'm going to do magic with you. 1, 2, 3. This glass is hungry, 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 hungry. 1, 2, 3. This glass is tired, tired, tired. 1, 2, 3. This glass is sad, 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 sad. 1, 2, 3. This glass is sleeping. 1, 2, 3. This glass is angry. Angry, angry. 1, 2, 3. This glass is happy, happy. Very good. So say bye-bye to the magic one. Bye-bye, magic one. And now we are going to play with a hat. As you know, is our magic hat. I'm going to wear the hat. Wait a moment. Okay? And I'm going to place here the flashcard in which I'm going to ask you, what color am I? Okay? So, wait a second, because Patrick has to do something. Okay, now. Good. I'm a cowboy. Okay, so I'm going to take a color and I'm going to ask to you, am I blue? No? Okay. Am I yellow? No, no, no. Am I red? No, no, no. Am I green? Yes? Oh my God, yes, it's true. I am green. I am green. Very good. Next one. Okay, am I red? No, no, no. Am I orange? No, no, no. Am I yellow? Yes? Oh, very good. I am yellow. I am yellow. I am yellow. Next color. Am I pink? No, no, no. Am I red? Yes? Oh my God. Yes. I am red. I am red. I am red. Very good. Go on. Another color. Am I blue? No? Not blue. Am I green? Not green. Am I yellow? Not yellow. Am I pink? Not pink. Oh my God. Let me think. Am I orange? Yes? Oh my God. I am orange. I am orange. I am orange. Next one. Now, next one. Am I yellow? No? No, no, no. Am I pink? Yes? Oh my God. I am pink. I am pink. I am pink. And here is one more. Okay. Am I red? No? No, no, no. Am I yellow? No? Am I blue? Yes? Oh my God, yes, it's blue. I am blue. I am blue. Very good. So, say bye-bye to the hat. Bye-bye. And now we are going to take another game, which is the lock, looking through the lock. Remember that this is a magic lock in which we can look through the flashcards that are inside. And we are going to do it with the wild animals we learned. First of all, we are going to review the names, okay? What animal is this? The monkey. Next one, very good, elephant. Next one, lion, perfect. Next one, giraffe, very good. And this one, the tiger, perfect. And the last one, what animal is this? The parrot, perfect. So, I'm going to introduce the flashcards in the lock, and you have to pay attention with what you can see and guess which is the animal hidden, okay? So, I'm going to start. First, everybody with Patri. Mix, 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 mix. Okay. 1, 2, 3. What can you see? Raise the hand. A lot of hands. Okay, what animal can you see? Look at the colors. The tiger? Have you said the tiger? Ta-da-da-da. Perfect. It's the tiger. Very good. So, bye-bye, tiger. Next one. 1, 2, 3. What can you see? Oh, look. There is red, blue, and yellow. What animal can be? Which animal is this? Let me see over here. The parrot. Is it the parrot? Ta-da-da-da. Yes, the parrot is here. Very good. Next animal. 1, 2, 3. What animal can you see? Oh, look here. You can see it's brown. Let me see over there. What animal is this? The monkey. The monkey. Let's see if it's a monkey. Ta-da-da-da. Yes. The monkey. Perfect. Next animal. 1, 2, 3. What can you see? Oh, look here. The tongue, the red tongue, and the animal is gray. What animal is this? There. Elephant. Let's see if it's the elephant. Patri doesn't know it. 1, 2, 3. What animal can you see? Da-da-da-da. Yes, very good. The elephant is here. And there are 2 left. 2 animals left. 1, 2, 3. What can you see? Oh, look at the colors. It seems this is the king. Yes, the lion. I don't know. Let's see. Ta-da-da-da. Yes, it's a lion. Perfect. And the last one. 1, 2, 3. What animal can you see? Look at the spots. Look at the spots. Yes? Giraffe? Let's see if it's the giraffe. Patrick doesn't know. Da-da-da-da. Yes, the giraffe. Very good. So, bye-bye wild animals. We have already done weather, colors, and wild animals. Now, we are going to move on the fruits. Do you remember the fruits? Do you remember that we did a healthy salad together? Yes? So, I have here 6 pieces of fruit, which are strawberry, orange, grapes, pear, banana, and the last one is apple. Okay? Do you remember when we played with the fly catcher? Unfortunately, at home, Patrick has only got one. The others are at school, but I'm going to try to play this. Okay, we have apple and strawberry. Yes. And I say, catch the fly in apple. Where is the apple? Up or down? Catch the fly in apple. Up. Catched. Cut. Very good. Now I take grapes and orange. Grapes and orange. Okay? Grapes up, orange down. Catch the fly in orange. Where is the orange? Up or down? Down? Very good. Next 2 fruits. Here we have banana and pear. Banana is up and pear is down. Catch the fly in strawberry. No strawberry. Now, Patrick has cheated. Sorry, I'm sorry. Catch the fly in pear. Very good. Now we mix everything a bit. 2 fruits together, a pair of fruits, orange and banana. Catch the fly in banana. Where is banana? Up or down? Down? Yes? So catch the fly in banana. Very good. Now, grapes and pear. Yes, grapes is up and pear is down. Catch the fly in grapes. Where are grapes? Up or down? Up. So grapes, bye-bye. Very good. And finally, take these 2. Look, apple and strawberry are both what color? Red. Perfect. And also a bit green on the top, here and here. But these fruits are both red. Okay. Catch the fly in strawberry. Where is strawberry? Up or down? Down? Are you ready? Very good. So bye-bye, fly catcher. Let's see. And that's all, boys and girls. Only one thing more I want to practice with you. Remember that we learned to say, what are we wearing today? Yes? So, today I'm wearing a black t-shirt, okay? This is not any longer a jumper, this is a t-shirt, okay? I'm also wearing blue trousers and blue shoes. So, boys and girls, I hope that you have enjoyed a little bit with some of the games we practice in class. I really hope that everybody's fine, that everybody's healthy, and also I hope this from your families. And that's it. I'm sending you a very, very big hug, lots of love, and see you soon. Bye.